Here is how to create a section on your Pinterest board. So what you are going to do is on the bottom right-hand corner of the screen, you are going to click on your profile and go into the middle where it says boards. So from here, we are going to click on any of our boards here. Then near the bottom of the screen where it says organize, create, more ideas, shop, see all, we're going to click on see all and then click where it says section near the bottom. What this will do, this will then create a subsection. So you can name this anything you want. We'll name it jackets. And then what I'm going to be able to do is click on stuff that is within my Pinterest board and make this a section. And that is how you create a section on Pinterest.